embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me, I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can't.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Capri. If you're new here, if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. And today we have another hair video from none other than Luvme Hair, iconic purple box. Let's get right on into her. So of course you get your rewards card if you want to sign up for the rewards. This time we do have something a little bit different. We do have clip-ins. These are the straight clip-ins. It comes with 9 pieces, but we'll get into that just a little bit later. You do get your bags that you can store them in. You also get a nice little bonnet every time with all your orders. And this bonnet is a little different. It'll protect your edges and it won't slide around because you can tie it up in the back. Love that for me because my hair always be losing the bonnet at night. We also have a little nice silk wrap for those edges, and we do have a wig cap, which we won't be needing today, but maybe in the future, and an edge brush. I got a extension stand. Now this right here is so unique. First of all, I love the nice pink color. It comes with instructions. You can install this in a variety of ways, but I'll get to that in a minute. But these are all the pieces that it comes with. And you know how when you want to wash your clip ends and you want to lay them out and kind of let them dry, this is going to be good for that. So I'm reading my instructions right now. You can use the hooks. You can actually install this with the screws on a wall. You can use the sticky tabs, or you can use the suction cups, which I will be using today. So I'm going to go ahead, put the nuts or the bolts, one of the two, y'all know what it is. Put 4 of those inside and watch how easy this is. I'm just going to take the suction cup and go ahead and screw that right on into the back. They come with 4 of them, so this will not move around whatsoever, no matter what clean surface that you put this on. I suggest the bathroom wall if you do have like a towel or something smooth to put this on. So I'm putting this right on in the bathroom. Suction cups really easily. You take the tracks, place them on the combs, close it up, and it's nice and tight in there. It can dry. You can style it that way. It's so super easy. I'm so glad that they included this with the kit. But you can order yours for under $20 on their website, which is very reasonable, very affordable, and you can use this with your bundles, clip-ins, whatever tracks you have. So let's go ahead and get right on into styling these clip-ins. First, I'm going to go through each section with my flat iron. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the protective little straps that they come on, and I do have 2 different bundles of these clip-ins, so I'll have more than enough. And you'll see right now just how many pieces this does come with. It does come with 1 long piece that is great for like the crown of your head. There are 3 pieces that are a little bit shorter. It has 3 clips. You have 2 pieces which are shorter than that have 2 clips each. Then you have 3 each of the smallest pieces that are great for bangs and just in the front of your hair in general. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to section off the back of my hair. Now this does not have to be perfect, but I do want to make it as straight as possible. And I'm going to go in, I'm not going to use that flat iron right at the roots because I don't want it to slip out. So I'm going to go ahead and clip up the rest of my hair. And as you can see, I'm just teasing it right at the root line just to give it a little bit more definition and rough it up a little bit so that the tracks can stay. And then I'm going to go in with my flat iron about a quarter of the way down and flat iron the rest of that so that it can blend in with the track seamlessly and just look very nice and lay flat. All right, going in with the clip ends, as you can tell, it's very, very thin on the clip line. Like, you will not see any of this at all. It's going to be super blendable. All you have to do is pop open those combs. I like to start with the middle comb first so I can see how far out I will go on the sides. So I just pop them all open. Go ahead, slide those down into your teased hair, and then just snap them closed. And as you can see, like, I'm pulling on this, tugging on this, and it's going nowhere. You do not have to worry about these tracks slipping out at all. So then I go ahead with my flat iron again and kind of like mesh and fuse my hair with the clip ends. So you just repeat this process on up. You can use whatever sizes you want to use, depending on your head size or whatever style you want to use. And that's the best part about these clip ends. You could do a side part, you could do a middle part. You can just wear it all back if you want to, because the track is so invisible and seamless. It just blends right on in with your natural hair. So that is exactly why I love clip ends, because you don't have to worry about your track showing, because you have your hair kind of blending in with it. Now, if you do need more info on this hair, you can always click down below in the description box. I'll have all the info listed below, as well as a coupon code that you can use to get a little coin off. And this is the straight clip ends. You can use these clip ends over and over for like at least 1 year before they just start looking a little raggedy. But you know, 1 year is good enough for a look that looks like tape ends, but you're doing it yourself. Like, with proper care, I'm sure it will last much longer than a year. So once I'm getting to the top, look how that blends in so well with my leave out. It's like I'm getting an instant sew in without sitting in the chair. It's so convenient, so easy. The last step is just going ahead and fixing those edges of mine, because they look a little rough. They do, but don't clock me for it. So just like that, after you're done with your edges, your style is done. Under 15 minutes, you have a full head of hair. You look put together. You look classy. You look demure, honey, okay? Look how silky this is. So go ahead, click the link down below in the description box and pick you up some of these clip ends today. Trust me, you won't regret it. So this is the final outcome of the clip-in extensions from Luvme Hair, and I absolutely adore them. This is a real quick and easy way to get your hair done, get on out the house if you need to. You don't have to spend a lot of time on it. Anybody can do this themselves. You do not have to be a hairstylist or professional or anything. All you have to do is clip these in, girl. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the link down below in my description box. Order you up some of these. I did use almost both of the bundles that I have. I do have 4 of the smaller pieces left. That's it, that's all. So you can actually put however many in that you want to put in, however full or not full that you want it to be. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more hair videos, more hair tutorials. Make sure you're liking this video to let me know that you liked these extensions, because maybe who wouldn't? And make sure you leave in a comment down below. Chat with me. I'll chat with you back. So until the next video, I will see you baby dolls later. Bye. Love you.